How do you set up your MacBook to your monitor? Hey guys, and for starters, share ko lang yung MacBook ko. This is MacBook Air M2. I think 2022 ko siya nakuha, so going 3 years na siya ngayon. And meron a few options to connect sa monitor, and meron akong previous monitor as compared dito sa bago ko from Arzopa. And before, gumagamit ako ng ganito. This is a USB hub, and this is from Ugreen, and ginagamit ko siya for the HDMI port. So, ito yung ports niya. Ayan. HDMI port. So, that's one option. And then ngayon, ang gamit ko na lang ay Type-C to Type-C. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, first, ito yung na-mention ko, USB hub from Ugreen. And ito yung connection niya papuntang laptop, dalawang Type-C. And then, itong HDMI port yung gamit ko. So, HDMI to HDMI yung connection niya. So, that was before. And yan nga, no, dito siya nakakonect. Pero ngayon, ito lang yung connection ko. Type-C to Type-C papuntang monitor, and that's it. So, it depends kung ano yung monitor mo. For this one, meron nga siyang Type-C to Type-C connection. So, all good. And then, of course, pwede ring HDMI to HDMI to your laptop. And yung sa akin kasi, yung HDMI niya, nakakonect sa PS5. So, case to case, ano yung gamit natin and ano yung connections na available for us.